Today, I'm going to teach you how to add stroke to text in Framer websites. This is a great way to make your text stand out and add some visual depth to your designs, whether you're working on headings, buttons, or any other text elements on your site. First, open your browser and head over to framer.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Framer dashboard where all your projects are stored. Now that you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the projects and websites you've been working on. Simply click on the project or website where you want to add the stroke effect to your text. This will open up your site in the Framer editor, giving you full access to all the design tools you need. Next, navigate through your page and locate the text element you want to modify. Once you've found it, click directly on that text. This action will highlight the text and bring up all the editing options specifically for that element. You'll notice that clicking on the text activates the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. On the right side panel, look for the section labeled Text. Right beside this label, you'll see a plus icon. Click on that plus icon to reveal additional styling options for your text. From the menu that appears, click on Stroke. This is the feature that will allow you to add an outline or border around your text characters, creating that eye-catching effect you're looking for. After selecting Stroke, you'll immediately see new controls appear. The first thing you'll want to do is select a color for your stroke. Click on the color picker and choose a color that complements your design and makes your text pop against the background. This is where you can get creative and match your brand colors or create contrast for better readability. Once you've selected your color, you can also adjust the width of the stroke. You'll find a slider or input field that lets you increase or decrease how thick the outline appears around your text. Play around with this setting until you find the perfect balance that looks good with your font size and overall design. And that's it. You've successfully added a stroke to your text in Framer, giving your website a more polished and professional look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.